Let's freaking do this. So yeah, we're going all the way to, I don't know where it's called. I can probably put it on the screen right here. I'm gonna do some ATV rides. I hope it's not too hot. Oh no. But it's not right now, so I hope it doesn't get worse.
Let's do this ATV 4x4.
What is that, John?
30 ice cream.
30? Okay. Looks like we got a stand in the back.
Fun.
Yeah, well, I guess we do have to stand up. Let's do this! Finally, shade.
We gotta inom first.
Valentin. And we're back in.
Good fun.
Out of 10?
10, sure.
Really?
No, I give it like 7 or 5. Would have been a 10 if I drove it.
Oh, 100%. Oh, let me go. All of these chairs that are around me say do not sit. Now it was about to sit on them. That would have been bad. I don't know if they're watching, but yeah. We'll follow them. I don't know what I'm gonna eat.
And I'm hungry.
Oh, actually, Joanna's cousin said kind of freaking Chowking or Jollibee.
Either one.
Oh, I have that picture of the kind when he was in the fields. Put it up right here. Actually a nice place. The times that I wasn't actually recording, I did learn some other stuff about well, just Filipino culture in general. Then I got some cool shots. Jared helped me out.
Is there?
Yeah.
Film crew.
But yeah, the first 2 times I did it, the freaking lighting was terrible. Like everything was so whitewashed. And Geraldine said empanadas. Oh yeah, that was the one right across from the church, yeah? Sign me up, brother. I'm gonna get fat. Oh, brother, I can smell all the food being cooked right now. It's so good. I'm actually, oh man, I'm so ready. Actually, we're gonna go to Kusina Valentin.
Thank you.
Other rice. One rice. That was good. It looks like Jarrett found something outside of the restaurant. Oh wow.
Can you give me something? Check-in luggage, my friend. Check-in luggage? Yeah. I will. Thank you. Why?
What the fuck?
Why? Very nice.
Tatlo lang po. Tatlo nga. May sabay.